As you can see, if I push a button, the other button activates. If I push the back button, it still tries to change channels. You just can't get out of the radio. Anyway, get out of the radio. Try and hit a back button. Hit space. That's the sound it did when all this sort of stuff started happening. Well, similar sound, but just can't get